Hello, sir.
Reach for the stop speed.
My English is
So.
yes. I live in Brazil.
Say what?
I live in Brazil
I got you.
in my vacation.
I got you. You got your license?
Yes.
It's a nice bike.
Thank you. The bike is beautiful.
Huh?
The bike is beautiful.
Oh yeah.
License from Brazil.
Okay. What are you doing out here?
I go to the Austin.
To where?
I go to the Austin.
Okay.
In each the Los Angeles, Austin.
Okay. Alright, sir. You know how fast you're going? You know how fast you're going?
No.
I got you going 100. Okay?
Okay.
Don't be going that fast, alright?
Okay.
I know you're on the bike and
I go slowly.
yeah. Can't go that fast. You gotta go the speed limit, okay?
Okay.
50 miles an hour.
Okay.
I'll be right back with you.
Okay. Caralho, desgraçado, pegou de frente, mano.
Do you have the insurance on the bike?
Ah, yes.
How long you been living in California? Or do you not live in
Me?
California?
No. I live in Brazil.
I gotcha.
Uh,
What is that address on there?
the other is my friend. Oh, there.
Is it on here?
Yes.
Oh yeah, right here. So this address right here?
Yes, the same.
Also, do you have any marijuana or anything on you?
I don't understand.
Any marijuana?
Marijuana?
Any drugs on you? Do you
No,
have
no,
drugs
no.
on you?
No. I don't drugs, I don't drink.
I got you. Okay.
Some water. Caralho, tomei no cu. Carai, como o cara me pegou do lado de lá, mano? Tá gravando ainda. Tô fudido. Tô fudido.
Alright, sir, you're gonna be receiving a ticket today, okay?
Ok.
Because of your speed, alright? Can't be going that fast, alright?
Very expensive for me.
Say what?
Very expensive for me.
Yes, sir. All the information's gonna be on the ticket where you can call the judge and stuff and pay the fine and stuff like that.
Ok.
And your birthday is 09/18/1990. Also, did you have your passport?
Yes. I go to the court or no?
No, no, no.
No?
No, you can just call on the phone and pay it online.
Ah, ok.
Show me out on I-10 East.
There you go, sir. 1 second.
Ok.
Alright, sir. Like I said, you are receiving a ticket, okay?
Okay.
For your speed. Here's all the judge's information. I just need you to confirm your information, then sign right here, okay? It's
Okay.
not permission to give, it's just promise to contact the court, alright?
Okay.
And I'll circle the phone number for you, okay?
Okay. Sign in here?
Yes, sir. Here's your copy, okay? You can just call that phone number probably like next week.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. You drive safe.
Sorry.
Okay? Just slow down,
Sorry.
alright?
Okay. Vivo de... Às vezes dá ruim, rapaziada. Às vezes dá ruim. Que bosta, o cara tava lá do outro lado, mano. Tomar no cu. Vou gastar $600 nessa multa aí. Fácil. Fazer o que? Vambora, né? Eu achei que não pegava. Aí pega. Vambora, rapaziada. Rapaziada, a última vez que eu peguei multa, eu paguei $650, mano. Só que foi em outro estado. Quero ver quanto vai ser aqui no estado do Texas. Tem que comprar um bagulhinho aqui assim, ó, anti-radar. Na hora que vê polícia, o bagulho é fita. Foda, porque tipo, pega lá do outro lado, mano. Se fuder. Ó a raiva.